Today, I'll walk you through how to copy, duplicate, or move sections to another or the same notebook using Microsoft OneNote Desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your sections effectively so you can stay organized and enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, you need to open Microsoft OneNote Desktop. If you have it installed, simply launch the application from your desktop or start menu. This is your digital notebook where all the magic happens. Once you're in OneNote, locate the section you want to duplicate or copy. To do this, right-click on the Section tab. This action will bring up a context menu. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still be the same. From the menu, select Move or Copy. A pop-up box will appear, prompting you to choose where you want to duplicate or copy the section. Think of this as selecting a new home for your content. Now, here's a crucial tip. Do not double-click the notebook name. Double-clicking means you're moving the section instead of copying it. If your goal is to create a duplicate, make sure to select the correct option in the pop-up. If you prefer to move the section instead of copying it, the easiest method is to use the drag and drop technique. Simply click and hold on the desired section tab, then drag it to the notebook where you want to move it, and then release your mouse button to drop it in place. This method is akin to rearranging furniture in your room. It allows you to customize your space effortlessly. Once you've completed these steps, you should see your section successfully copied or moved to the desired location. In conclusion, managing your sections in Microsoft OneNote Desktop is a straightforward process that can greatly improve your organization. Remember, whether you're copying or moving, the right-click menu and drag and drop features are your best friends. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.